If you are a student aiming for a career in finance or accounting, you've probably faced the dilemma of choosing between ACCA and CA. It's one of the most common questions aspiring finance professionals ask themselves. But don't worry, today we'll explore the differences between ACCA, which stands for Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, and CA or Chartered Accountancy. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which path aligns with your goals. Both ACCA and CA are great options if you're just starting out in the field. These qualifications build your foundation in finance and accounting, providing you with the skills that you need to navigate the financial world. They have comprehensive courses that cover essential topics, producing well-rounded professionals ready for the real-world challenges. Whether it's ACCA's global recognition or CA's prestige in India, both credentials hold immense value. Let's start with ACCA. ACCA, or the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, is a globally recognized certification. Established in the UK in 1904, ACCA now has over 2,19,000 members worldwide. The ACCA qualification offers a broad and holistic approach to finance. Not only will you learn to manage numbers, but you'll also develop strategic decision-making skills that are vital in today's business world. ACCA is accepted in over 180 countries, which makes it an ideal choice for students looking for global career opportunities in finance and accounting. On the other hand, CA or Chartered Accountancy is highly respected in the financial industry. In India, becoming a CA is often seen as a prestigious achievement with expertise in accounting, taxation, and auditing. CA professionals are responsible for managing financial records, providing tax advice, and ensuring compliance with legal regulations. Many CAs hold key managerial roles in organizations, giving them the ability to influence major financial decisions. Now that we've covered the basics of both ACCA and CA, let's take a closer look at the key differences that set these two qualifications apart. From global recognition to exam structures, understanding these differences will help you make an informed decision about which path aligns with your career goals. Number 1. Acceptance. ACCA is accepted in over 180 countries, giving you the opportunity to work almost anywhere in the world. Meanwhile, CA has a more localized presence, especially in India, with some recognition in regions like the Middle East. Number 2. Exam timing. CA exams organized by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India take place twice a year in May or June and November or December. For ACCA, exam flexibility is much higher. The applied knowledge level exams are available on demand, meaning you can take them whenever you're ready. For the applied skills and professional levels, exams are held quarterly in March, June, September and December. Number 3. Exam pattern. In the CA Foundation, papers 1 and 2 are subjective, while papers 3 and 4 are objective, with negative marking applied in the objective papers. At CA Intermediate level, the exams are a mix of subjective and objective questions with no negative marking in any subject. Similarly, the CA Final consists of both subjective and objective questions for specific subjects, also without negative marking. For ACCA, the applied knowledge level includes 3 subjects, all of which are 100% objective. At the applied skills level, there is 1 subject with 100% objective questions and 5 subjects that feature 60% objective and 40% subjective questions. At the professional level, there are 4 subjects, all of which are 100% subjective. The ACCA exams do not have any negative marking at any level. Number 4. Passing marks. To clear a CA exam, students need to score a minimum of 40% in each paper and an overall aggregate of 50%. For ACCA, the pass mark is 50% for all exams. Number 5. Duration of the courses. Becoming a CA usually takes at least 5 years, while an ACCA can take anywhere between 3 to 4 years depending on the student's performance and exemptions. Number 6. Eligibility criteria. For ACCA, you need to be 18 years old and meet the flexible entry requirements. CA, however, has a more stringent prerequisites, including high scores in talent exam or a strong performance in class 12. Number 7. Professional experience. Both qualifications require professional experience, but the CA path requires at least 3 years of articleship, while ACCA requires over 3 years of work experience, which can be done alongside the exam. Now, how do you decide which is right for you? It comes down to your career goals. If you are looking for global opportunities and flexibility in exam schedules, ACCA might be the better choice. If you are focused on building a strong career in India and want to work in taxation, auditing or corporate finance, CA could be your path. Ultimately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Both ACCA and CA are highly valuable, but the best choice depends on where you see yourself in the future. Whether you are aiming for international work with ACCA or a specialized role in India with CA, choose the path that aligns with your personal and professional aspirations. If this video helped you understand the differences between ACCA and CA, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe for more career insights.